Wow, what is this? It's an hammer. Yes, it's not a fake hammer. See? It's an iron hammer. And today the experiment is we are going to break some useless things. Just do. These are not working really. If you want, you can see. This marker ink is over. This spray button is not working. This light is not coming. This pencil is not at all sharpening. This pen ink is over. And this is useless. I don't have spinner. And even when I keep battery, it's not on. It's not giving light. So these I am going to break. Let's start. Guys, I am using a mat because it's very safe. If I keep down, it will come sound. If I keep up, it's no problem. So first let's start from this. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Something happened, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it flied over. Oh my god, guys, it's very dangerous. See how it's broken into parts. So see how much small it is broken. Let's try breaking more things. So guys, next we are going to try is a marker. So let's break. 3, 2, 1. It's very powerful. It's not even a scratch happened to it. Finally, it's broken. Only marker cap is broken this much if I beat. Oh, cap is broken very dangerously. Good. 50% this is also broken. If I beat another hammer, it will totally break. Yes, and more. Yes, it went off inside. It's not breaking anymore. Let's leave it. So it is breaking only this much. So how the marker is inside, it will be same like ink, but it's not working anymore. It's expired. See guys, now we are going to break a pencil. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3. Actually, pencil is very powerful, guys. I bet this much, but it's not even. It's already broken. It is bended a bit. Now let's break it more. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's breaking so much. Yes, it's broken. See guys, this much I bet, but it is broken only 2 parts. So we are going to break it on ground. 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what's happened. So guys, you can see it's just a pencil lead. Inside of a pencil, nothing else, just a lead. So let's do next one. Next experiment will be very easy for us. Done. I just broken it like this, and the part flied here. So see how easily it's broken. It's like it's smashed. Actually not broken, it's smashed. Let's break again in the corner piece. Oh no, it's very bad. Hey guys, I don't know what happened here, but this cap top is not at all breaking. It's just being pickled. So let's do the next. Guys, next is nothing but this one, and let's break it directly. It's very powerful. Plastic is not that easy to break anything, because plastic will just be something hell. Yes, but it just broken the spring and the cap only. It didn't broken into real pieces. Let's waste of time. Let's do next one. So guys, next we are going to this very powerful thing. 1, 2, 3. It slipped off. Sorry. So let's do again. What happened? Nothing is happening. Oh my god. I will do it into parts. Guys, I will skip. So guys, I can't do anything. So let's fire it. Yes. Now let's just fire its corner in this manner. And now let's break it. Yes, it's broken. See how it's become. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.